Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of sauteed vegetable salad. Let's start with the recipe. Heat a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then 3 finely chopped garlic. Saute a minute until it turns light brown. Now I can get a nice flavor from the garlic and it has turned light brown. It's time to add 1 cup of broccoli and then add in 1 bell pepper or capsicum. I've taken orange capsicum cut into squares and then half a cup of asparagus. Next goes in half medium sized onion. I've chopped it roughly. You can also chop it into squares. You can also add any vegetable or skip any vegetable which I've added. Add in some salt for your taste. Just mix it a little bit. Cook it just for about 5 minutes in low flame or heat by closing the lid. It's been 5 minutes now. You can see the vegetables are half done. It's not cooked completely. It's going to be crunchy. At this stage, I'm going to add 1 cup of yellow squash. You can also add zucchini if you want. And add 1 pinch each of oregano, thyme and rosemary. You can also add mixed herbs. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix it well. You can also add more black pepper powder if you want it to be more spicy. Yellow squash or zucchini or watery vegetables, so just cook for about 2 minutes or else it's going to make the salad more soggy. So cook it for 2 minutes in low flame or heat by closing the lid. It's been 2 minutes now. Mix it well, and if you find some liquid collected in the bottom of the pan, just open the lid and cook for about 30 seconds until the water evaporates. And now the yummy sauteed vegetable salad is ready. Thanks for watching the video. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.